I'll guide you through how to make a card folder themed. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀. Click Login, enter your email and password, and then click Login. Next, click New Site, then select Blank Page. Then, click Page, scroll down, and change the background to gradient. After that, adjust Color 1 and Color 2 to your desired colors. Click the plus icon, then select Container. Change the type of the container to columns. Next, click the plus icon and select Image. Change the shape of the image to circle. Then, click Upload to upload a photo. After that, click the plus icon and select Table. Delete the default headings, change the rows to Name, and enter your name. Click the table name. Then in the bottom left corner, click the Copy button to duplicate the table. Next, change the rows to Short Desk, and then enter your short description. Click the plus icon, then select Icons. Click Add to insert icons. Change the icons to social media icons. Click the Save icon, then enter the title and description for your project. Save your project by clicking Save.